how to tap the search engine results page. And that a vanity number and domain name extension translate to the numerical digits of the phone number, which is area code 786, 268, and 7364. So this is called the URL tail, or a URL that is also a telephone number. Okay? Alright, at this point, I want to see whether I can refresh this Pessar. I'm going to start by stopping it, and then I'll try to save it. Because I don't want it to get too large. So I'm going to press the save button, move my image away, take the previous file name from last time, and override the current file name on top of it. Right mouse click and paste. And now that I got the current file, I want to change it first of all from a text type of file to a zip type of file. So I'm going to put ZP instead of the period txt. It will be period ZP, and then backspace all the way to the beginning. Getting rid of everything in between. At this point, I'm ready to copy the Pessar.txt path. Right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer, and then insert it in the first position of the file name field and paste it. All of that is to develop an algorithm for documenting what an individual is doing, like an audit trail. Now that I got it all listed, I have a prefix with a path, a backslash separator, and I'm copying the entire string into the clipboard buffer and then save it. Now that I saved it, I'm going to click review additional details and scroll up to see that was a total of 16 steps, which is more or less what I want, and I want to keep it less than 20 steps if possible. So to continue, I simply click new recording, and then add a comment with the previous file name, which I paste in the highlight area and comment dialog box of Pessar.txt, and click OK. And then go back to my notepad and go edit, paste, and file save. So now I got it in my notepad also. At this point, I'm ready to check Beauty and to see if anything is working there. Did you put your lanyard on? What do you do with it? Can you take it, please? And where's your phone?
Right here. I'm just setting up this Zoom call.
Okay.
I sent you the link to
Fine.
Zoom. Okay. To DR
Okay.
and DRS.
So now we're going to check what the Beauty is doing here. Make sure that we copy to the... You just put it on for a second. I'm going to copy to...
Copy what?
To run...
What is it? Did you...
Run MSN Recorder. So I want to try, and then I want to record. I want to record full screen. Then I want to copy place the cursor on that. Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer. Then click record to start recording. Now that it starts recording, I want to drag it a little bit to the right corner of the screen so you can see that it is working, but it doesn't overwhelm the screen. Then I want to put the note in my notepad here. So I'm going to open the notepad, go to the very top of it.
You want to go with the one?
It's fine, unless you don't want me to use this one.
Yeah, don't use that one.
You want me to start a new one?
Well, you can
It's
use that
easier to use this one.
Okay,
and
so
it's-
use this. Use this one. Not a big
makes
deal.
it is a lot easier. So
Okay.
I'm going to paste it here, edit paste.
You have to put the date. Let me do the date stuff. and I can
Don't
do
worry
fast.
about it then. Why don't you put the
Right.
phone and everything and start recording? I'll let you control it
Yeah, so let me-
soon.
so-
Okay, I'll adjust the information that we have here. Just copy the file name again. Edit, copy. This is the previous file name, and now we're creating a new one for today's session. Edit, paste. Adjust the time. Today is the 26th. So make it 2025, and the day of the week is Wednesday, so I put in capital W and lowercase e and period for Wednesday,
Mhm.
and the time of the day is 11:53 a.m. 11:53 a.m. And then I delete the old time, which was 3:30, and now I'm ready to overwrite the old video file name with a new one. So I copy it to the clipboard buffer, edit copy, and then mark the old video file name and paste the new one on top.
And then do also.
Control V, and instead of exam review, we'll write VAPI.
VAPI demo. That's how I called the Zoom.
Okay, VAPI demo.
And then I sent you an email of the link to the Zoom.
VAPI demo, okay. And then I want to save it in the log subfolder. And then we will process it with the Notebook LM to create a podcast. So, edit, copy, file, save as, Control V, then we'll copy the path of the log, Control C, and we'll insert it at the beginning of the file name, Control V with the backslash separator. Now, I want to copy to the clipboard buffer and save it. And then paste it at the top of the notepad. Edit paste. In addition to that, I want to turn on Pissar. You're stepping on my foot.
Move it. Move your foot so I can see what's happening.
I turned on Pissar, problem step recorder, and I want to check
999. Check your
start
steps.
recording. Okay, it doesn't let me. Oh yes, let me check the settings
You want to do 999.
and raise it from 25 to 999 and okay. Then start recording and immediately paste in, add in as a comment the newly created file name from the log subfolder with today's topic. So Control V to paste and then enter to examine the path, which is okay. And now
Turn on Loom,
we want to run Loom also.
which is right there.
So we double click it, but with Loom we wouldn't use the camera because it
no
is
camera.
used already.
You don't need so many faces.
Right, so no camera,
Start
but we'll have the
recording. Start recording.
the recording without the camera. Okay, which you can then distribute without the camera. Okay, so now everything is working. Let's
I
double
can
check each
fix-
other.
Are
Let
you
me
sure?
check you and you check me. Everything is working. Okay. Here she is, Miss America, in all her glory.
Okay, so why don't you get into Zoom?
So now you're the instructor and I'm the student.
Yeah, so you have to log in.
So I have to log in. So I'm going to navigate to Dr. Arash, right?
Right, yeah. Should be there too. Yeah.
You see there are a few of them here. One of them already includes Dr.
It
Arash.
also has it in DRS Rush too. Doesn't matter which one you use.
It doesn't matter,
No.
so I'll use DRS Rush and
Yeah.
that's it.
And it says that first one where it says me.
Me?
Yeah,
Okay.
but take out the middle of your picture, put it to the side, and make it smaller because you're
It's
blocking
okay,
the
don't
screen.
worry about
You're
it.
blocking the screen. Make it smaller.
Please.
You're the student. I'm giving you an instruction.
Miami, I want to join the
Yeah.
Zoom.
Make it in another tab. You should do. That'll make it in another browser.
What's next?
You have to wait. Okay, that's fine. Now, what you want to do is you want to rename. So let me.
You
You want me to
switch
teach you how to
name?
rename?
Yes, teach me as if I'm the
Okay.
student.
Go to your name there and right click. You see Sarah
Go to
Rushanek?
my name there. I'm looking for my name there.
You see Sarah Rushanek. You see a picture.
I see a picture. I see two
Right.
pictures.
No,
Dr.
you don't.
Rush,
You see
and
one
then-
video and one picture.
Oh, the image is still image. You mean?
Right, it's a picture.
Yes. Okay.
So
I
you-
see.
So the problem is when you
So
put on
what
the
do you want me
caption
to do now? Talk to
on
me
my
already,
name,
please.
you have to rename.
On the name, on your name, I have to rename. Let
Yeah,
me make
or
it full
make it-
screen.
Make it. You see there. See, that's a problem. See,
Sarah Rushanek, what is your name?
yeah,
Sarah
Sarah
Rushanek.
Rushanek, yeah.
So I want to click on it. What do I
No.
want?